Gas. GI. Introduction. The digestive system helps the body digest and absorb the food we eat. Select true or false. Correct. What causes gas? Choose one of the following options. 1. Eating certain foods. 2. Swallowed air. 3. The breakdown of food by bacteria in the large intestine. 4. All of the above. Correct. Barb has been experiencing bloating, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. She also has lost some weight without trying. Should she contact her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Barb's gas may be caused by a digestive disease. She should contact her healthcare provider. Does gas always need to be treated with medicines? Select yes or no. Correct. Medicines are available to treat gas, but medicines are not always needed. Dietary changes can help treat gas in many people. Thank you for using Explain.